Welcome to another awesome video as we show you how to start a home business with $0 and actually make $10,000 a month, step by step. Starting a home business with no money seems like an impossible feat, but what if I told you that it's not only possible, but it's also a reality for many entrepreneurs who have gone on to earn a whopping $10,000 a month from the comfort of their own homes? One of the biggest misconceptions about starting a business is that you need a decent amount of capital to get started, and if you don't have it, you're doomed from the get-go. This mindset is what holds so many people back from taking the leap and pursuing their passions. They're led to believe that without a hefty loan or investors, their business dreams are dead in the water. But the truth is, some of the most successful entrepreneurs have started from scratch, with nothing but an idea and a willingness to put in the work. Another fear that holds people back is the fear of failure. They're afraid that if they put in the effort and pour their heart and soul into their business, it'll all come crashing down, and they'll be left with nothing to show for it. But the reality is, failure is an essential part of the learning process, and some of the most successful entrepreneurs have experienced their fair share of setbacks before finding success. The fear of not knowing where to start is another major obstacle that keeps people from taking the leap. They're overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there, and they don't know which path to take or which strategies to employ. But the truth is, starting a business is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. The fear of not being good enough is another major concern for many aspiring entrepreneurs. They're afraid that they don't have the necessary skills or expertise to succeed, or that they're not good enough to compete with others in their industry. But the truth is, everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is that you're willing to learn and adapt as you go. If you're someone who's always dreamed of starting a business but thought it was impossible because of a lack of funds, I want you to know that it's not impossible. In fact, there are many low-cost or no-cost business ideas that you can explore, including freelancing, online tutoring, and affiliate marketing. With freelancing, you can offer your skills to clients around the world without having to invest a single penny. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or social media management, there are countless opportunities to monetize your skills and start earning money right away. And the best part is, you can start freelancing with $0, using free platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients. Online tutoring is another great option, where you can monetize your expertise and teach others a skill or subject. You don't need any fancy equipment or software, just a willingness to share your knowledge and help others learn. Affiliate marketing is another low-cost business idea that can be extremely lucrative. By promoting products or services of other companies, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. And the best part is, you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service, you simply promote and earn. So, how do successful entrepreneurs like myself scale their businesses from $0 to $10,000 a month? One of the most effective strategies is to focus on providing immense value to their audience. By creating high-quality content, whether it's through blogging, YouTube, or social media, you can attract a loyal following of people who are eager to learn from you and buy from you. Another strategy is to build an email list and create sales funnels that convert. By building a list of subscribers who are interested in your products or services, you can promote to them via email and earn money on autopilot. Successful entrepreneurs also diversify their income streams by creating multiple products or services that appeal to different segments of their audience. By doing so, they're able to earn money from multiple sources, rather than relying on just one. If you're still watching, it's because you're serious about starting a home business with no money and earning $10,000 a month. Remember, it's not about the lack of money that holds you back, it's about the lack of knowledge and the fear of taking the leap. But I want you to know that you have the power to change your circumstances, to take control of your financial future, and to live the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more advanced strategies for growing a home business, be sure to check out my next video.